Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some grammatical errors in a passage. Could understand? So almost all these questions and sets are from TBW probables. Could understand? So if you have any problem while going through this class, you can refer that one. English sample papers by TBW 2018. Okay. So this one. Where is my cursor? Yes. When the teacher entered into the classroom, into is not necessary. This is the wrong use. Right? When the teacher entered the classroom, he asked the students if any of them had seen. If any of them if any one of them had seen, not saw, had देखी कि तांका भितरु किए देखी छंती कि इछंती with perfect is helping verb is have has had, it is in the past tense, so had should be used. Had seen, had, let's use had, and verb will become en form she saw seen, right? That is she saw seen. Right. If any of them had seen the Charminar in Hyderabad, right? One of the students, not a student, that is students, one Pilamano Vitoru John, Pilamano, yes, Pilamanonko. So students replied that he had visited, he has, here is present tense. The paragraph is in past tense, so it should be had, not has, that is had. He had visited Hyderabad last year. The year before. Last year will it be changed the year before. Could understand? The year before. The year
before.
B-F-O-R. Year before. But got into got.
But had.
But had got no chance.
But had got.
Before what had got no chance to see.
No.
To see, no chance to see. That is not seeing. This is see. Could understand? To infinite. Not see the chamber. The Charminar. His uncle insisted that he did not need to go there. Said Jiba Dokkar Mani Barambar insisted. His uncle insisted that he did not need. In the past tense, he did not. Did not.
Eid.
Just 1 minute.
Did not.
Didn't.
Auntie.
Yes. Didn't need to go there. Let's remove not to go there.
To go there.
Go there in view of security hazards. Go there in view of security hazards. The students nevertheless. Just 1 minute. The students nevertheless, Satvi was very keen on going to the Charminar and argued. This is past tense. Argued. Jukti kale that if he did not avail, of opportunity, he might, not may. It's a past form is might. M-I MIGHT might not get
Not
it
get
in the
it.
future.
Hmm.
In the
The future.
The future. Right? His uncle had to allow him. This is not allowed, this is allow. Allow him. Number 2. What did I say? Number 2. The use of electricity in a massive scale has the use of electricity on a massive scale, that is not in, that is on a massive scale has brought about a second industrial revolution. Today almost everyone, this is yes. अरे everyone of the millions of affected say all over the world uses simple this is singular third person uses electricity produced by harnessing rivers with the help of the large dams and by burning oil or even coal. Electricity. What did I say? Electricity is produced. Electricity, capital letter. Oh, I see. Wow. Electricity is produced hundreds of miles away from the factories and supplied to them through cables. Supplied to them through cables, not over. That is through. THROUGH. DH. No, it's not. Through cables. Machines powered, not powering, powered. Shakti pai, powered. By electricity producers, not producers. Produce little pollution at the place of work. Right? And so modern factories to look as clean as a garden. Look as clean as a garden. This is a positivity, as clean as a garden. Next one is hunting. What did I say? Hunting was originally a means of providing food. Hunting was shikar, originally a means of providing. ing form, derund रही preposition पर ing form generally रही जाए. So providing food, but it has now become not had. This is should be present as that is has. Has now become the sports. Now become a sports, not the sports. ଏବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଖେଳ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଖେଳ କସରତ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ଆମୋଦ ପ୍ରମୋଦ a great many years ago fishermen. What did I say? Fishermen. This is fishermen. At Japan, fishermen in Japan. That is not it. That is in Japan. In India, we say in Japan used birds, not bird. That is birds. पक्षी मानक व्यवहार करतले to catch fish. Macho धरियाको. Today, however, fishing in this way has simply become a sport for the fisher. Simply. ly. That is
L-Y. Ida Katiki Y.
fishing in this way is simply ly. Right? ly. It is sports for the fishermen. For the fishermen who catch.
This is man
Who catch.
caught.
No, it's should be present tense. Catch. C-A. C-A-T-C-H.
TCH.
T-C-H. Catch.
I see.
T-C-H. Catch fish by the help of birds. On summer nights, they set up for rivers in their fishing boats. Fishing boats.
Fishing. ING.
Fishing boats. With this, that is the end of today's grammatical error classes. We shall discuss the other errors in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you. That's
It's okay.